Welcome to Renault Truck Commercials. Today I would like to show you around our Renault Trafic Crew van. It is fitted with LED pure vision headlights and LED fog lights, chrome grille in Glacier White. It is a 2-litre diesel, 150 brake horsepower, manual 6-speed gearbox, Euro 6. A few more features on this Trafic Red Edition is the 16-inch steel wheels with wheel trims that cover the full width of the wheel. We've got some side repeater lamps in the mirrors for extra visibility. We've also got tinted windows as well, and also tinted windows in the crew cab section with added ventilation for the passengers. I'd just like to show you inside this Renault Trafic Crew van to show how spacious it is and how comfortably it can fit 6 occupants. One of the extra features of the Renault Trafic Crew van is 2 extra storage points for the passengers. First one is under the passenger side front seats, and the second position is under the rear seats. For extra comfort and safety, we've got extra storage fitted in the rear seats. We've also got 3 pointed seat belts fitted to all seats, along with headrests. And on this seat, we've also got an ISOFIX seat fitted for children's safety. This vehicle is also fitted with a 3rd rear high visibility brake light, rear sensors for working in the public domain, and also 180 degrees rear doors for easy access for a forklift. Also has an 18-19mm load length and also an 868 kilograms payload. We could also fit, at extra cost, ply lining or wiser deck flooring. In this Renault Trafic Crew van, we have lots of extra features. We have automatic headlights, automatic wipers, cruise control, speed limiter and voice recognition. You can also answer the phone off the on steering wheel controls, and we can also control the media centre via this stalk. We also have got electrical adjusted headlights. Via our 8-inch media screen, you can access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This will allow you to access Google Maps or Waze. We also have extra charging points at the front of the vehicle, and this vehicle also comes with air conditioning, pollen filter and heated mirrors.